Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily view the page source in Gmail on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Launch your preferred web browser and go to mail.google.com. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Step 2. Once you're logged into Gmail, right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, select View Page Source. This will open a new tab or window displaying the HTML source code of the Gmail page. By following these 3 simple steps, you can easily view the page source in Gmail on your PC. This can be useful if you're interested in exploring the underlying code of the Gmail interface. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Gmail tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.